Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we break down the smartest tech to make your drive safer, smarter, and just a little more futuristic. Today we're talking about a dash cam that doesn't just face forward or backward, it sees everything. We're diving into the Vantrue N5 4-channel 360-degree all-sides dash cam, a serious piece of tech featuring 4 cameras, Wi-Fi connectivity, STARVIS 2 night vision, and true 360-degree coverage of your vehicle. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a city commuter, or just someone who takes vehicle protection seriously, this is one you'll want to pay attention to. Let's see if it's really the ultimate all-in-one driving recorder, or just another high-spec gadget that overpromises. What's in the box? First things first, let's talk about what comes in the box. The Vantrue N5 includes the main camera unit with integrated front, interior, and cabin-wide fisheye lens, a separate rear camera, car charger with USB-C power, adhesive mounting pads and cable clips, a detailed user manual, and of course the necessary cabling to wire up all 4 channels. You'll need to provide your own microSD card. Up to 512 GB is supported, which is important considering you're recording from 4 angles. Right out of the box, everything feels premium. The materials are sturdy, and the main unit has a clean, almost stealthy design that mounts discreetly to your windshield. Design and setup. Now, setting up the N5 isn't exactly plug and play, but for a 4-channel system, it's surprisingly manageable. The front and cabin cameras are built into the main unit, while the rear camera gets mounted to the back windshield with a long extension cable. Cable management is key here, but once everything's tucked into the trim, it's a clean look. There's no internal screen on the N5. Instead, you'll use the Vantrue mobile app via built-in dual-band Wi-Fi for live view, playback, and adjusting settings. Honestly, it's kind of refreshing not to have a bulky screen cluttering up your view. Video quality and 360-degree coverage. Okay, now the big selling point, 360-degree 4-channel coverage. Let's break it down. Front camera, records at 2592 by 1520p, 2.5K. Super sharp, great color accuracy, and solid dynamic range. Rear camera, 1080p with wide-angle coverage and excellent detail. Cabin-facing infrared camera, perfect for night driving or rideshare safety, with STARVIS 2-powered low-light performance. Fisheye 316 lens, captures your entire cabin and side window areas in ultra-wide format. Together, this system gives you true full coverage. Front, rear, sides, interior, it's all captured at once. If something happens on your left, right, or even in your blind spots, this cam is recording it. The STARVIS 2 sensors especially shine at night. Even on poorly lit streets, the footage remains clear and usable, with minimal noise and strong contrast. You really feel like your car is in a digital surveillance bubble. App and connectivity. The Vantrue app pairs over 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which means fast and stable video transfers. You can stream live views from all cameras, adjust resolution, frame rate, and parking mode settings, download clips directly to your phone, lock and protect important footage with a tap. The app interface is clean and responsive, though some users may find the initial connection process a little clunky. Once paired, though, it works well. If you're used to app-controlled dash cams, this one's among the smoother experiences. Key features. Let's talk about some standout features. Buffered parking mode. When hardwired, you'll need the Vantrue hardwire kit. The N5 activates when it senses motion or impact, and records a few seconds before the event, thanks to buffered recording. G-sensor plus emergency locking. If the system detects a collision, it automatically locks the footage so it won't be overwritten during loop recording. Loop recording plus. Large SD support. Record non-stop without missing a moment. The N5 supports up to 512 GB, which is essential for a multi-channel setup. Voice notifications. Audio alerts let you know what mode the camera is in, if parking mode is active, and when recordings are locked. Infrared night vision. The interior camera uses IR LEDs to keep recording passengers and interior activity, even in total darkness, ideal for Uber and Lyft drivers. What we loved. There's a lot to like here. Here are the highlights. True 360-degree coverage, front, rear, sides, and inside. Crisp 2.5K front video with wide dynamic range. Superb night vision with STARVIS 2 sensors. Reliable motion-triggered parking mode. App-based controls with dual-band Wi-Fi. Minimalist design with no distracting in-car screen. Huge SD card support for long drives or work shifts. Honestly, if you're looking for an all-side solution, this is about as close to full peace of mind as you'll get in a consumer dash cam. What could be better? That said, it's not without flaws. No built-in screen. It's all app-based, which may be a con for those who prefer on-device controls. Rear camera install can be tedious, especially in SUVs or larger vehicles. No cloud backup option. If your SD card fails or gets stolen, there's no off-site footage. Hardwire kit not included, needed to unlock full parking mode functionality. Also, while the app is good, the initial pairing process isn't always seamless on every phone. A minor annoyance, but worth mentioning. Who is this for? The Vantrue N5 is perfect for rideshare drivers who want all-around passenger and vehicle coverage, fleet vehicles or company cars that need full incident documentation, city drivers who face tight parking spots, side swipes, and heavy traffic, anyone who parks on the street overnight and wants protection from all sides. If you're serious about security and you want footage of everything happening around your vehicle, this camera system delivers. Final verdict. So, is the Vantrue N5 worth it? If you want 360-degree recording, outstanding low-light performance, and app-powered convenience, the N5 stands out as one of the most complete dashcam systems available in 2025. It's not cheap and setup takes some time, but the peace of mind you get from knowing your entire vehicle is covered, that's priceless. We're giving the Vantrue N5 4-channel dash cam a strong 9 out of 10. Powerful, practical, and protective. This is the future of car surveillance, right here. Want to upgrade your car with a true 360-degree view? Check out the Amazon link in the description to see the latest price and other user reviews. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy, and tap the bell so you never miss our next breakdown. Until next time, stay sharp, stay secure, and stay tech ready.